Hello again, my name is Jason Perkins and I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another edition in my Georgia workers' compensation video series where I provide you helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today I want to talk to you about a form that's a State Board of Workers' Compensation form known as a WC-R1CATEE. It's spelled out Form WC-R1CATEE. And it stands for catastrophic designation request made by the employee in a workers' compensation claim. And this form is used in your workers' compensation claim by you or your attorney if you want to request that your case be designated catastrophic. Catastrophic designation is something that I've discussed in more detail in other videos, but basically it means that you have a very severe injury, and the benefits of getting your case designated catastrophic is that some of the limits that normally apply in Georgia workers' compensation cases do not necessarily apply in cases that are designated as catastrophic. So if you continue to need medical treatment or lost wage benefits a long time after your injury, you can usually continue to receive those in a case that's been designated as catastrophic. The form that I mentioned, the WC-R1CATEE or R1CATEE, is used to request your catastrophic designation. It requires some information from you about your work history, and it requires you to provide information about why your case should be designated as catastrophic. A catastrophic designation is an extremely complicated area of Georgia's workers' compensation law. There's 6 different types of catastrophic injuries. 5 of them are specific injury types, and then a 6th is a catch-all type, which is based on your vocational abilities, about whether you're able to return to your prior work or work available in substantial numbers in the national economy. I would encourage anyone who is considering filing a request for catastrophic designation to speak with an attorney. What you have to prove can be very difficult, and often it involves getting certain information from your doctors about what your residual functional capacity is, and also information from vocational experts about whether you're able to go back to work with that residual functional capacity. Again, this area of law is extremely complicated, and I generally wouldn't recommend that you pursue a request for catastrophic designation yourself. There's a lot that you need to know about the law, and I think an attorney would be helpful to you if you're considering filing this request. I would at least recommend talking to one before you do that. But the Form WC-R1CATEE is the form that's used to request catastrophic designation if you want to file a catastrophic designation request, or if you have an attorney and is going to file one on your behalf, they'll use this form as well. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you have other questions about Georgia workers' compensation, we've got 3 ways that you can find out some helpful information about that. One is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and looking at the articles on our blog there. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation, and review the other videos in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. If you have some specific questions, normally the best ways to get answers about those are to set up a free consultation with me. You can do that either on our website with the free consultation request form, or by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.